Hello guys, welcome to MandarinKit. In this video, we are going to learn how to set up Chinese keyboard on an Android phone. Even though nowadays most Android phones do have Chinese input language option, but I still prefer Google Pinyin Input as the default keyboard on my Android phone for two reasons. One, language switching between Chinese and English is very easy as the buttons for the two languages are just next to each other. Two, Chinese tone marks are available on Google Pinyin Input. Without further ado, let's go to the App Store to search for Google Pinyin Input. Here it is. Install. Installation is done. Let's open. Step 1 is to enable Google Pinyin Input in Settings. Switch on the button for Google Pinyin Input. Step 2, select Input Method. Change keyboard to Chinese Pinyin. Done. Alright, so we are set. Now let's go to the home page to test our new keyboard on any app. I'll just tap on my Google Keep Notes. So let's tap here. So we can see that the default keyboard has been changed to Google Pinyin Input. On our new keyboard, there are two language options. On the English keyboard, there are options of QWERTY layout as well as the OT9 layout. I'll go for QWERTY. On the English keyboard, we can not only type English words but also Pinyin, the Chinese phonetics with tone marks. Let me show you how. Let's take the Pinyin for Ni as an example. Ni is letter N followed by letter I with a third tone placed on it. So to type letter I with a tone mark, first we need to long press the letter I, so the selection of letter I with different accents and tone marks will appear. Then glide the finger to the letter I with third tone mark and release. Confirm the Pinyin syllable by tapping the suggestion on the keyboard. We can do the same for all other basic finals such as A, O, and U. Here, on the left, there is Chinese character 中 for 中文, Chinese language, which indicates the Chinese keyboard. There are 4 input methods for Chinese language under this keyboard. In normal situation, I would choose the top left, the Pinyin QWERTY keyboard. Let's try it out now. Let's say I want to type the Chinese word 早, morning. I'll just have to spell it out in Pinyin, Z, A, O, then select the correct character from the bar here. Next, let's try to type the phrase 你好吗? Are you doing good? In Pinyin, it is NIHAOMA without spacing. And then we'll select the character combination from the bar. There you go. 早, 你好吗? Now, if you prefer to change to other Chinese input method, just tap 中 again, and 4 options will reappear. As you can see on the top right, there is the T9 keyboard. At the bottom left, there is the Chinese stroke order keyboard. And next to it is the handwriting input method. Here's a little tip for you. Sometimes when I see a character that I don't know, I would switch to handwriting input method and draw out the character. Then I'll tap on the character suggestion and copy and paste the character to online dictionary or Google Translate to look up its meaning and pronunciation. That's how I learn new words. Okay, that's all for now. I hope you'll start practicing Chinese typing as much as possible, as it will train up your pinyin spelling skill as well as your character recognition. Bye!